good day, this 122nd day, meaningful moments, 365 days. So, it's interesting how these days roll out. Sometimes we have these really just precious moments where we're savoring, and then other times we have these moments that are really working us. We have to really be bringing our consciousness to the situation. And I had a meaningful moment this morning inadvertently while I was getting ready to prepare a pancake breakfast. I had been thinking about making pancakes for weeks, and I had strawberries, and usually I make blueberry ones, but this time it was strawberries. Then I got into this new recipe I wanted to try, and lo and behold, it was asking for buttermilk, but I didn't have buttermilk. But I knew I could make a substitution with yogurt and milk, maybe a little bit of lemon. There's some different substitutions out there, and I did that. And they turned out, but maybe a little thicker than what I had wanted them to be. So it was a little bit different. And it brought this awareness to me that there are no substitutions. We can substitute, and that's perfectly okay. And sometimes in doing that little bit of a substitution, we'll get something that's real close to its likeness and may even work out or be really good in the moment, or maybe even, that was just a bird that flew by, maybe tastes wonderful, or a great replacement even. But there's not really a substitution per se. It's something that can actually take the place of something else, whether it's an ingredient, a circumstance, a relationship, a person. Can't be substituted. So we find our ways around these bits and pieces that life reveals to us, and we give it our best shot with what we got. And that's an important, meaningful moment for me, and perhaps for you too, to remember. You bring it your best today. In this meaningful moment, blessings upon your day.